One of the things that can help you stay consistent online is having a content calendar. Let me ask you, have you experienced this before? You know you want to post something, but you're always confused on what to post. You don't know what to post. When it's time for you to post, you're always asking yourself, okay, what do I post today? What do I post tomorrow? What do I post next week? Well, we're about to fix that because in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a content calendar. This will just help organize your content creation life, making it easy for you to know what to post, when to post it, and also help you stay consistent online. This video is going to have 5 parts, 5 really valuable and interesting parts, and honestly, you shouldn't miss any of it. Part 1 is going to cover what a content calendar is and why you need it. Part 2 is going to cover the things that your content calendar needs, the things that you need to add to your content calendar. And in part 3, I'm going to share with you the simple tools that you can use to create a content calendar, even as a beginner. Part 4, I'm going to show you examples. We're going to just create a very simple and quick content calendar just so that you can know what we're talking about. And in part 5, I am going to give you a free special gift. Like, I am so excited about this one. So please watch this video to the end so you don't miss out any part. And this is part 4 of our series, Confused to Confident, a step-by-step guide for women and moms who are ready to show up online with purpose and confidence. In the previous parts, we have covered mindset, clarity, content strategy, and now we're on content calendar, and we have 3 more to go. And if you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Amaka and I am your online mom bestie. Let's dive into it. So what is a content calendar and why do you need it? A content calendar is a simple plan for what you're going to post, when you're going to post it, what kind of content you're going to post, and the goal for that content. It helps you remove the daily fatigue and the daily confusion that you experience wondering what to post and when to post it. It also helps you batch create content. That way you can stay consistent even when life is lifing, because honestly, it will. And no, you don't need a complex, Notion setup or a beautifully color-coded Excel sheet, except you like that kind of thing. All you need is a plan that fits your life and your capacity, a realistic posting schedule, and some grace for the days that other things or motherhood interrupts your life, because sometimes we can't just help it. Here are 4 things that your content calendar needs. Number 1 are your content pillars. These are 3 to 4 themes that you can create content about or content around. For example, if you are a lifestyle content creator or a lifestyle influencer, your content pillars could be things like a day in your life, could be your daily routine, skincare routine, makeup routine. It could be, fashion hauls, just depending on what you create content about. Another example is if you're a fitness coach, your content pillars could be motivation, motivating people, you can do this, you can do this. It could also be nutrition, sharing different meals, the calorie intake in different meals, or the best meals that they can eat to lose weight. It could also be, exercises, different exercises that they can do. Maybe if you want to lose belly fat, this is the exercise you can do, and all of that. And another pillar could be your client's transformation, before and after of your clients, their stories, their case studies. So yes, your content pillar will differ based on what you create content about. So for someone who is a lifestyle creator, their content pillar will be very different from a fitness coach. Okay? Let me know if you're getting it in the comment section, and please don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people. Let's continue. The second thing that your content calendar needs is the goal for your content, and this will determine the content type. And what I mean by this is, for example, if your goal is to motivate your audience, the kind of content you will create will be a motivational video where you're encouraging your audience. If your goal is to entertain your audience, it will be, you will post the content hype will be like a meme or maybe a funny skit or an entertaining video. If your content goal is to sell something, to sell your service or to sell your product, the type of content that you will create, it could be a sales flyer or a sales pitch. The goal for your content will determine the type of content that you will create. If the goal for your content is to sell your product, you will not come and be creating a funny skit. No, the type of content that you will create will be the content that will help you sell your product. Okay, Let me know if this is making sense. The third thing that you need to add to your content calendar is the format, the content format. And this differ for different platforms. For YouTube, we have shorts and long form videos. For Instagram, we have single posts, carousels, reels, and longer videos, which are also reels, by the way. For TikTok, we have carousels, single posts, and also short or longer form videos. And then finally, you need to add your posting frequency. Please, this is so important. And you need to, when creating your posting frequency, you need to be very honest with yourself. Make sure that you add a posting frequency that you can consistently keep up with. Don't go and do something that will stress you out or overstretch you if that's not what you're ready for. So don't go and say, okay, I will post 3 reels every day, when you know that you cannot keep up with that. And then you do that for like 1 week and it stretches you, it overstretches you, and then you disappear for 2 weeks. That will not work. That will not be you using your content calendar effectively. Okay, so if what you can handle at that time is posting 3 times a week, just write that down in your content calendar and consistently follow up with that. And then when you have more time, you can add more, you can increase the frequency, but make sure that you stick to what you can keep up with at that time. And the final one, I didn't add this one, but it is your weekly structure. It's your weekly structure. And this will just help you rotate your content pillars. That way, you're not just posting only a day in your life, a day in your life, a day in your life. You can post a day in your life on Monday. You can post, your makeup routine on Tuesday. You can post your skincare routine on Wednesday. You can post your morning routine. You can post your meals. And, it will just help you rotate your content pillars weekly. So that is the weekly structure. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. So you see, we're not even done yet, but I know that if you're following, you already have ideas on what to create content about. And that is the effectiveness of a content calendar. Here are 4 simple tools that you can use to create your content calendar. Number 1, we have your notebook or your planner. So you can just go analog. Not everybody wants it digital. So if you're one of those people who just want to, write it down in your notebook, you can definitely do that. Number 2, we have Notion. Notion is a very good productivity tool that you can use to create your content calendar, plan your entire content. And yes, it's kind of complicated. Personally, I don't use Notion because I find it really complicated. I've not really taken the time to dive into it, but a lot of people have good things to say about Notion. So you can try it out and see if it's something that you want to use. At number 3, we have Google Sheets. I use Google Sheets. I love Google Sheets. I find it very easy, beginner friendly. And yes, you can also use Google Sheets to plan your content, calendar. And finally, we have Google Docs. I don't use Google Docs, but a lot of people also prefer to use Google Docs for their content calendar. And finally, number 5, you can use Excel sheets. You can use Excel. A lot of people prefer Excel to Google Sheets. So if you're one of those who prefer to use Excel to Google Sheets, just definitely go for it. So yes, these are the 5 different tools that you can use to create your content calendar. So this is a very basic example of a content calendar for a lifestyle creator. And you can see that we've rotated the content pillars and each content has a different goal. For example, the FaceTime video, this is like a chit chat video where you just tell them something interesting that happened, just them. And then a day in my life as we're not just doing a selfish vlog, we're doing a day in my life as maybe as a student trying to balance her life, or as a mom and a content creator, just something that makes it more interesting, something that is out of the basic. And then we have the makeup routine, and it's not just a makeup routine, I added trying out a particular product. This will help you build trust with your audience. That way you can even build influence with your audience. When they see you try out this thing, like give your honest review about the product, they get to know you, they get to trust you more. And then with time you can recommend, different things. Why am I talking all of this? But yes, you can see that the calendar allows us to try out different content types using the different pillars. They're not just creating vlog every single day. They are doing FaceTime videos, they are doing vlogs, they are doing makeup videos, they are doing sit down videos or FaceTime. This one is to build community and, you know, content that says, oh, who else noticed this? This is something I'm seeing. Who else is noticing this? And this will get people, this will get your audience to talk and say, and people will say something like, oh, I noticed it too. And then they get to share their opinion. Okay, so your content calendar just helps you do that. It helps you achieve your goal and makes it easier for you to show up and stay consistent. And this is just a basic one. This is just a basic calendar because there isn't enough space for us to add, you know, that like the different content themes, the goals, captions, and all of that. Okay, so this is just the basic. And in my course, the Confident Creator online course, I go way deeper into this, but I still have something for you guys. So you see, now we have planned 2 weeks of content, and now you don't have to wake up and wonder, what do I post today? What do I post tomorrow? What do I post next week? It just makes it easy for you to show up and show up authentic and help you achieve your goals. And you may be thinking, okay, Amaka, what if I cannot stick to the content calendar? That's okay. Your content calendar is supposed to be your guide. You're not stuck on it, following every single thing, but it's to guide you, make it easy for you, give you ideas, and just help you stay consistent. But if you cannot keep up with it, just try to keep up with the ones that you can. Your content calendar is useful because when you have a plan, it's easier for you to stay consistent. It's easier for you to come back on track when you fall off. Because consistency is not about showing up daily. It's about showing up again and again when you say you will, with purpose and clarity. So I have taken the time to create a beginner-friendly content calendar for you. This calendar is on Google Sheets. It is so easy to use. It's editable and it has everything that you need, from your content pillars to your goal section and just every other thing that makes your calendar very valuable and helps you stay consistent. If this is something you're interested in, just comment calendar or interested in the comment section and I'll send you the link to download it. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Also, in my course, the Confident Creator online course, I go deep into how you can create your content calendar, walking you through step by step to make sure that you have a content calendar that you can stick to, that helps you stay consistent and helps you achieve your goal. If this is something you're interested in, click on the link in the pinned post so that you can join the wait list because the course launches on the 27th of August. Definitely something you don't want to miss. Thank you for staying with me. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to more people, so that more people can learn how to create a content calendar to stay consistent. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.